Well, we have a new arrival. I bought this 1965 Mustang from my buddy. Has a nice coilover front suspension with AJE rack and pinion setup. It's got a coilover 4-link rear suspension. He covered all the cowl and welded it tight. It has mini tubs on it. It also has a roll bar and X pipe or X brace for it that needs to be bolted back in, but needs a new roof. It just so happens we have that nice fastback over there. That's going to be the perfect donor car for a roof. So we'll take this nicely optioned 65 coupe and make it a nicely optioned 65 fastback. That is the plan. Do a roof swap with the higher end build car, make it more of a pro touring build, and that'll be what we do. So I should have enough parts between the two to put it mostly together. This has a nice brand new wiring harness to install. So lots of stuff to do. Runs 13-inch Cobra brakes. So a lot nicer than this one, which is rusted and doesn't have a title. So it's really the perfect donor car to use the roof swap for. It's also an 8.8 rear end in this. Got the rear lip shaved on it. But if you look, and the doors are nice and straight. They open and shut perfectly. He did a really good job getting this thing together. Let's see if we can get under here, and yeah, you can see the coilover rear suspension on it. Very nice. Got just some roller wheels on it, and overall very straight, clean car. So, and when you need a new roof, I mean, why not do a fastback swap? As you can see, it's real dented up real bad. It caught fire on the roof. So that's the biggest issue there. Lots of work to do to it, obviously. Maybe we'll get to it next year, we'll see. But that's a much better start than I was going to have with this one in general. And like I said, this thing doesn't have a title. It's been cut up and bastardized. This might actually be a coupe swap itself. They cut all the VIN plates out of it, so we'll see what happens. I can't wait to work on this, but many other things to do.